I'm going to make some Korean pancakes called pajeon. It looks like a breakfast pancake but usually has vegetables or seafood mixed into it. It makes a good snack. Let's get started. First, I'll get the vegetables ready. Today I'm going to use green onions and zucchini. Dry the vegetables after washing them and chop them up. I'm splitting the thick part of the green onion to make it thinner. They are ready. I'm making two versions of the batter. One is store-bought pancake mix. The other is a homemade mix. I bought this at a Korean supermarket. I'm using 1 cup of the mix. The following is the mix made from scratch. Fill a cup with cornstarch and all-purpose flour. I can't visually tell the difference, so I'm putting a sticker onto the homemade one. Add a cup of water each. If you like your pajeon crispier, use cold water. Look at these two batters. Do they look different to you? This one looks like more yellow. For each batter, I'm going to make 2 different types of pajeon. Because I like my pajeon with more green onions. My husband likes it with more batter. So I'll have 4 kinds of pajeon total. Let's cook some pajeon at a medium heat. Move the pan around so the oil gets spread evenly. Flip it over back and forth and cook it until golden brown. This is the second batch for my husband. I'm adding more batter. Add some cooking oil as needed. I'm wondering if my husband can find the difference. I warm them up prior to serving. Ta-da!
Ta-da! I see you made pajeon. Why are there 4 different ones?
Because they're different.
Are they different?
They're the same, but different.
They're the same but different? Alright. Do you want to tell me now or should I eat them and then tell you?
Yeah.
Alright, let's start with... Just by looks, I want to eat this one first.
Okay.
I feel like a doctor. Oh. So there's something different about them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm not going to use the sauce then.
Oh, okay.
Nice and crispy. That's good. A little bits of zucchini. Alright, I'll say A, B, C, D.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go around the table here. This is a lot more green onions in it. You good? You like that?
Are you remembering? Okay.
I'm making little checkpoints in my mind. Each one. We're gonna do like a little mini tournament. I'm gonna eat them all, and then I'm gonna pick ones the 2 that are my favorite. They're not bad,
Okay.
but these two are definitely top of my list. I'm just gonna move them out of the way for a moment, if it's okay. Do one more taste test.
You definitely like the one with more batter.
Yeah,
Okay.
these are two different batters.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and one last test. Gotta try it with the sauce. All right, I'm gonna put these back. I'm very serious about this.
Have you made up your
I
mind?
have made up my mind.
Okay.
The winner is number 3.
Okay. Oh, interesting.
Why is that interesting?
Do you see the tape?
Oh yeah. Uh-huh.
This is my own recipe batter.
Oh, okay.
And this is the Korean pancake mix.
This is the cream pancake. It wasn't bad,
No.
but this
This
definitely.
has more flavor, right?
Yeah,
Like I could taste
I could taste like
little
garlic
salt.
or something.
Yeah,
You put
yeah,
garlic powder in there or
yeah.
something. You could taste that, and it was good. This one did crisp up a little bit more, which I like. But this one's, I definitely go with this one the best.
Winner.
Let's eat them all. Though.
Too much Korean onions.
No. Like, I think if I was in Korea, this is what I would see at a restaurant, probably.
More green onions.
Yeah, a lot more green onions, a little bit less batter.
You eat this first, and then eat this one.
You can feel the difference. Now I just need some makwale.
For me, I like this. My batter with more green onions.